Hi, my name is Ram IAS. I'm a documentary photographer, and moreover, that I consider myself as a visual problem solver. For the last 4 years, I've been traveling different places to document the stories of the people from the diverse backgrounds. And I just can't believe that this little boss giving me freedom to explore the different places and connect with the world and express myself. But when it comes to the photography, it's always demeaned in India because we all think that photography is just clicking the shutter button or capturing the merry snapshots or taking the selfies. But I believe that it's way beyond preserving the beautiful memories and taking selfies. For me, it's like a universal language that led me to communicate with the world and works like a bridge to reach the people and understand myself and the world around me. Maybe I don't see it as a weapon, but I consider it as a great tool to educate myself and the world around me. So it has the power to undo assumptions and assumptions made in this world. And it's not just witnessing the beauty around us, but also helps to reveal the facts and to relate how the environment is changing with the time. Maybe we can't change the whole world at a time, but the difference what we're making is a fraction that can create a revolution. And maybe sometimes I capture the exotic location, but the most of the time before I click the shutter button, I ask myself that, so what is my photographer? And I always face this question which annoys me, that what is the gear I use and how many places I visit. The folks, I want to tell you this, I do travel, but it's just a fraction, and the gear is a bare minimal requirement, and I go through all these technicalities, but I don't let the gear and technicalities to dominate the beauty of the art by the technicalities. The greatest and most important thing in the photography is how you deal with your mental barriers and make connection with the people and become one among them. Wherever you go, the people are just awesome and they're just like anyone else, and they love to share their story. So, but the key thing to connect with them is intimacy. So as long as you don't open up your mouth, everyone looks stranger. But when you share the similar values and beliefs and give a little bit of respect and kindness, and you become one among them. So, and I don't click anyone's photograph and unless I don't make connection with them. I have this hunger to cross my limits and to know till what extent I can go. So for that, the last 3 months I've been working on a couple of projects which are related to education system. I felt that it's necessary to work on them because the present education system is completely failure because it turned into a business module. So how can I bring the change in education system using the art? So my first project was in Kota. Kota is a hub for all these coaching classes of IIT and medical entrance examination. So when I went to Kota, it's such a nice, beautiful city. But when it comes to the education system, it's completely result oriented. And no one cares about anyone, and no one gives damn about the values and exposure. So all they expected is the result. And that's what their parents want. Their parents send their kids from the different parts of the country because once their kids get into IIT, they can upgrade their lives. So no matter what the students wants. So that's sick, right? So how can I undo all these assumptions? So that's beyond my limits. So that's why I chosen that project. And coming to the Delhi, the old Rajendra Nagar stories, the students who are preparing for the civil service examination, we consider all the civil servants as the nation builder. But even the civil service examination becomes the business oriented because they have to invest the minimum 2 lakhs per year. So obviously once you invest on that, you expect the profit, right? So how can I tell the world that it's the wrong way of approaching? So how can I inspire the people showing all these stories? So that's beyond my limits. And coming to my current ongoing project, that's in what after engineering, that's in Hyderabad. Every year around 4.3 lakh students are passing on, but hardly 0.9% students are able to get employment. So what about the remaining students? So where they're lacking? So I'm trying to understand why this gap came between the students and institutions and industries. So, and I want to tell that the skill-based education is more important than the result-oriented. So that's the main motive of all these projects. And till now it's really wonderful journey. And the main motivation behind all these projects is you who are constantly sending your love through the letters and messages and constantly liking and commenting on my posts. That inspires me a lot. And I want to share something about art. Art is not something that capturing millions of pixels or playing some strings mixing all these colors. Art is something that unites us. That's what me or A.R. Rahman or Da Vinci or Picasso or any artist does. We try to connect with the world using the art. And you can always contact me through the social media. I'm on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and I love to share your views on my posts, and that's a lot for me. I believe that together you and me can make a difference, and maybe the difference can be a fraction, but that can create a revolution. So, and finally, I want to thank you who constantly helping me to happen all these projects successfully. Sumit, Campus Diaries team, and Srinivas, and my friend Rahul and Gaurav. And thank you very much. It's going to be really wonderful journey. So stay connected.